Hi Ridoy, how are you?
Yes. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, doing great. So beachy. Also Ramadan running, so we are fasting and
Oh, okay,
a
okay.
lot of work before the Eid.
Yes,
Okay, let's start.
okay,
Okay. Uh,
okay.
okay. So Sam, directly
Yes,
we
sir.
can come into the point. So you don't even choose a niche right now, right?
Yes, I did not have any niche
Yes, but
right
do
now.
do you
I
have
do have
anything in
few ones
mind?
in my mind. Yes,
Sorry.
yes, I do have few ones in the mind, like
Yes. Tell me.
uh, roofing, roofing ones,
Mm-hmm.
roofers,
Roofers,
landscapers,
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 then
chiropractors,
chiropractors.
or probably attorney, lawyers, uh, personal accident lawyers,
Uh-huh.
I guess, if that's what they are called.
What?
But it's personal accident
Lawyer.
lawyers.
Yes, personal
Yes, yes,
accident lawyer.
yes, yes.
Okay. This. Okay. So, and you don't do any kind of research on it, right?
Not really. I did not have
Okay.
done anything.
Okay. We will do the research. No problem. So,
Okay,
it's let me. Can you please write it down on the chat box, then or on the WhatsApp? Then I can send it to my team because there is a lot of niche. So I think in the meeting I can't do the research.
mhm,
Let me do one thing. You send me the niche, I
mhm.
will make the
Okay,
research, I will select a niche, I will make some offer, and after that I will make a doc file and send it to you on the WhatsApp or on your email. Then you will see and approve. After that we will go,
okay,
and I will send it maybe by next 1 2 hours. Okay.
okay. So, Hriday, can you tell me what are the different niches you have worked on
Okay. We actually
for your?
we worked on a lot of niche. We worked on marketing agencies. We worked on physical therapists. We worked on lawyers, dentists, chiropractors, as well as roofer as well. Okay, and
Okay,
roofer is the most saturated niche. Most of the people directly go on roofers. You can also do like commercial real estate agent. You can also talk to
okay, okay.
them. They have also
Mhm,
a great demand for SEO on their niche, okay, on their
okay, okay.
particular area. And roofer also
Yes, yes.
good. If you get one client, they will give a good amount of money, but it's
Mhm.
hard to convince any client.
Yes,
Okay,
yes. Okay,
so let you just write it down on the WhatsApp, and we have like physical therapist and all, and I will check all the niche with my team.
mhm,
Okay, and
okay,
they will select one, and after that, you actually need clients. So whatever the niche I select, if they can afford your price, there will be no issues, right? The process will be same.
so okay, so can you just tell me a little bit about what niche have worked for your clients? What niche converts really well, a good high paying niche, if I say, because I know I can get them results, but I need
Yeah,
someone who can
but actually it
pay for
depends.
my.
Okay, actually mostly we work with B2B clients, and any niche work if the offering is good. Okay, so
Mhm.
and also you can you please tell me like what your value proposition will be like? Do you get them a free work or free trial? Otherwise we need to give something
Okay,
to
okay,
them as a free value, otherwise they will not convert or are not going to be paid client, because most of the people offering them like SEO or something else. But if you if
yes,
you
yes,
s-
yes.
if you give them a pre-value, okay, then it will be good, like a 7 days
Okay.
free trial, 14 days free trial, or something like that. Okay, so do you have something?
That's actually in my offer, if I say, and that
Mhm.
will be my offer, right?
Yeah, when I make the offer, then I will include it on the offer.
Okay. So I think I can rank any business, any local business,
Mhm.
in under 90 days.
Mhm.
So I have thought about this. If if I I'm not able to rank a local business in under 90 days, I can offer them a money back guarantee,
Wow,
or
great.
uh, I work until they rank for free.
Hmm.
They rank, I will help them rank for
Hmm.
free, you know, if they are not able to rank in under 90 days,
Great.
or I
So,
can offer, or I can
hmm,
front end a 30-day trial to my service and
hmm.
see how if I can, really do the SEO for them or anything like that. I
Okay,
have
then
these three or
then
four things.
yes, we will then it's great, great. We will make two offer. Okay, like one is for free trial for 30 days, and one is for
Okay,
if we can't get them result in 90 days, we will give the money back guarantee, or we will work free until we do. Okay, we will make two offers.
okay, okay. So, can you know, tell me a little bit about what type of offers, since you have worked with so many SEO clients and a
It
different type of,
depends that it will be irresistible offer. Like if they see the offer, do you know
Mhm.
what the actual terms for irresistible offer? Irresistible offer
uh,
means like if you send them
yes,
the offer they saw, but if they say no, they will be
yes,
full, something like that. Okay,
yes, yes, yes.
so we
Yeah,
will
yeah, I
make
know, I
some
got it.
irresistible offer for them. I will send it because you don't select any niche
Hmm.
yet, so we have 4 5, so I need to find and check which one will be good for us, and it will take some time.
Yes,
And I will
okay,
send, give me the list, I will send it to my teams, they will find and make a doc file, and after that all of the offer, value proposition, everything will be on the doc file. Then you can check and see, and after that we will start buying the things after approval, all the things. When you approve, after that we will start
yes,
buying the domain, email, and all. Okay.
okay, sure, sure.
Okay,
So,
so I will
I
send
was,
you
I
maybe
was,
next 1 hour or maybe 2 hours. Okay.
so I do have, I already told you about the niches, right?
Mhm.
Three, four niches that I have, but I want you, from your side, that you also,
I think
pick
Sam, I think
pick
it will
few
be
niches
good
for
for
me.
you. It will be good for you if you go with physical therapist, because I have a good vibe on them, and previously I
Okay.
work with them, and it's easy to convert them. Okay, and they have money
So
to
what
afford.
kind of, yeah, what kind of offer did you run with them?
Same offer, like we will rank your website in your area,
Mm,
you will get more
okay.
traffic, more client, you will get top ranked. They know about SEO term. Okay, the same thing. Okay, let me let me research on your niche and the physical therapist as well, and after that who
Yes.
is the winner, we will choose that one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Sure.
give me some
So what
time.
what okay, okay. What area do you really choose in US for these type of,
Actually,
outreach?
we can start with California, New York, this kind of big
Okay.
cities.
Okay. Sure. 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 That would
And
be great.
actually, you will when you find the list, everything will be like whatever you want, based on that. Okay, we don't do
Yes.
anything from our side. You will choose, we will do on that. Don't get tensed. Okay, don't
Okay.
tense.
Okay.
That is a process, so one by one we will come, and give
Yes.
us
Yes.
1 2 hours. In the meantime, I will
Mhm.
send you I think it will be better if you just go with physical therapist. You will get great result in a small time.
Yes.
In short time, you will get a good
Have
result on a physical therapist.
So you have worked with physical therapist for the SEO or your client?
I worked with physical therapist for my client, and also I worked with for ACOs to them both. Okay, and they're
Okay.
easy to convert. Okay, they are doctored. Okay,
Okay.
they are a
Yes.
good
Yes. Yes.
reputation, and they are so busy. So if you just told them properly, then they will easily convert. Okay, I have
Okay.
previous
Sure. Sure.
experience because you are new in this niche. But if you go with
Yes.
roofer, okay, they will like
Hmm.
eat you. They will like
Yes. Yes. Yes.
do a like when they question you, you will be like shocked, because they are so
Yes.
fucking saturated, because all of the people
Everybody,
go for them.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so they
Yes.
know all the possible question and whatever the things is. Okay, so you will get caught. sometimes you don't
Okay,
have
okay,
an
sure.
answer the question they ask.
Yes.
So that's why if
Mm-hmm.
you go with a non-saturated niche who don't know much about it, it will be good for you because you are
Yes.
pretty much sure to give them the result. So I think there will be no problem.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. So I was also thinking about I already told you about one more thing that I was thinking about. I came across this YouTube channel
Uh-huh.
who provides reputation management services
Uh-huh.
for the local business
Uh-huh.
at low cost. It's
Uh-huh.
probably around 149 or $149 per month or $297 per month. It was something
Uh-huh.
like that.
Uh-huh.
But I was thinking about, you know, how about if I run a, reputation management at low cost and then
Yes, you can do that,
turn
but
them,
at the beginning, at the first, stick with one
yes,
offer, one services, and when you have like three, four, four, five client, okay, when you have the
yes, yes,
money flow is coming,
hmm,
then you can elaborate your
charge
services,
differently.
but don't like go around with two three offer, two three services, then it will not it will not be fruitful for you, because if you stick and focus with one offer, one things, it you can earn more than that. So when we
Yes,
have
yes,
four or five clients, or maybe a good amount of client, then you can upsell them about the reputation management services, or you can again start with another offer, another niche, another services. Okay, but for the
hmm,
first, stick with one services,
okay, okay,
get
okay.
some client
I,
first, the
yes.
let the cash flow come in, then you can do whatever you want. We are with you, no problem.
Okay, sure, sure.
Okay, so anything else you want to tell?
Not really. I just have these few questions about, I was really not, I was really confused about my, niche and
Okay, got it.
what will be my
You don't
offer
need to
and
confuse about it. We will handle it. Okay, just give me the list
okay,
on the
sure.
WhatsApp. Okay, give me the list on the WhatsApp, and in the
Okay,
mid we will find one. And if I we don't like anyone after the market research, and we will directly go for physical therapist.
okay. You can also, apart from physical therapist, you can also add a few more, niches if you like, because I
I will
don't
do.
really
I will do.
know.
No problem.
I have, okay, I have only seen, YouTube videos about niches, and so I know, so I must be talking about those saturated niches,
Also,
because
there is a
everybody,
good niche. It is non-saturated. That one is a pool installation. Okay,
okay,
a pool installation is a service that price is almost like 20 30K, 20K,
okay, okay,
30K dollar. Okay, they
okay,
want to rank on their particular area, so it's a good niche
yes,
and it's non-saturated and they have a lot of money. You can charge more them.
yes,
Okay, that is pool
okay,
installation. Only luxury
okay,
people will install the pool, and they have a good money. We work with them as
yes,
well.
yes, okay. So how are the results with them?
Yes, pretty good. And your
So
result will be
what
based
is
on
it?
your expertise. We will bring our result. After that, when you
Okay,
close the client, that will be your your problem and your services
okay,
to happy the client.
okay, okay. What is the typical price point for these type of premiums
You can
services?
if you are good in the
Should I
first couple of
charge
month,
per seat?
in the first couple of month, if they are not allowed to pay high, but after a couple of month, if you are giving them a good value, then they will
Okay,
directly yeah, like they can easily pay you $1,000, easily pay you.
okay, okay.
$1,000 is
Got
nothing
it.
to them, because their
Okay,
budget and pricing is so high. So uh, we can check that one also. You just give me your niche
okay,
and let me find one.
okay, okay. Sure, sure, sure.
Okay.
So I'll give you the list, and you'll give me the
Yes.
probably which
Give,
one should I go
give
with,
me
and
right now. Give me right now, because I will send it to the team, and they will get back to me maybe after 1 2 hours, and I will send it to you. Then you will see that okay, who is niche we selected, and the offer and everything that will be there.
Okay, sure. Let me write it.
Okay. So thank you so much, and don't get tensed, bro. You are on a good
Okay, sure.
hand. We will one by one. We
Okay.
will take care of everything. Okay.
Okay, sure, sure, sure. No
Okay.
problem, brother.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Hriday.
Okay. Give me the niche.
Okay, I'm sending you on the WhatsApp. Wait a minute.
Okay. Thank you so much.